Alright, so we finally have the dashboard exactly how we want it. And we could just save this file and send it back to Billy Booker, but what would be even better is if we just sent him a picture of the final dashboard that he can just open up and share immediately himself. So to do that, we need to start by selecting all of the objects in our dashboard. And we don't need to do that one by one, don't worry. I'm going to start by zooming out so we can see everything in our dashboard, and then go to Home, Find and select Objects. And once I do that, all I need to do is just click and drag, and I can select all of my visuals. So from here, what I could do is just copy, remove the Select Objects option, and select any cell, and then go to Paste, and in the Paste options, paste as a picture, and then from here I can simply save this picture to my computer. But before I do that, I'm going to drag this on top of my dashboard, and you'll notice that the space between our objects is actually transparent here. So we need a way to fill that with white. And if I delete that, the good news is that we do still have this rectangle that we added from the beginning. So let's just give this a white fill. Let's give it a white outline as well. And now if we go back and select our objects, we can just copy, paste, and save as picture, or simply right click anywhere here, save as picture, and let's call this something like MHG for Maven Hotel Group dashboard. Save that, and let me see if I can fire that up for you guys. And there we go. Pretty awesome, right? And that brings our final project to a close. So we covered a ton of ground between these projects, and I tried to use data from different industries to build 3 very unique and distinct types of dashboards. So hopefully you've taken inspiration from these, and you can use it on your own dashboards going forward.